Welcome to Bite and Budget, the place where you can enjoy delicious food and save money at the same time. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who loves good food, we've got tips and hacks to keep both your taste buds and your wallet happy. Let's start with meal planning. Planning your meals for the week not only saves money, but it also helps you avoid unhealthy last-minute takeout. Focus on seasonal produce. It's cheaper, fresher, and tastier. One bag of rice, for example, can be transformed into multiple meals like stir-fry, soups, casseroles, or even a breakfast bowl. By being creative, you get variety without spending more. Next, let's talk about smart grocery shopping. Use apps to compare prices, find discounts, and even get cash back. Many stores offer loyalty rewards, coupons, or digital deals. Even saving 10% on your weekly groceries adds up to hundreds of dollars over a year. Keep a simple budget tracker or spreadsheet to see exactly where your money goes. Trust me, seeing your savings grow is just as satisfying as a delicious meal. And yes, dining out can fit into your budget too. Look for happy hour specials, loyalty programs, and shareable meals. Splitting a dish with a friend or ordering from a lunch menu instead of dinner can save a lot. It's all about making smart choices while still enjoying the experience. Remember, eating well doesn't have to mean overspending. It's about balance and strategy. Finally, always remember that budgeting for food isn't just about spending less. It's about spending smarter. Keep track of what works for you. Try new recipes, and experiment with affordable ingredients that taste amazing. You'll be surprised how satisfying it is to cook delicious meals while watching your savings grow. And that's what Bite and Budget is all about, helping you eat well, save money, and enjoy life to the fullest. If you want more tips, recipes, and money-saving hacks for food lovers, subscribe to Bite and Budget now and join our community of smart eaters.